So today we're working on E83 X3 BMW. Problem we're having is rear wiper motor does not work. I checked all the fuses and we're going to remove this motor from the trunk lid and I'll show you the process. First things first, you want to move this cover, lift it up. That's a 13mm nut. You just unscrew this and wiggle the arm off of it. Next, you will open the trunk lid and you will remove a few screws. There's one in here, one on the other side, and two by the lock keeper. And then you will pull the cover off of your trunk lid. I already popped mine off, and when you pop it, there will be a wire, which is this guy right here, that goes to this slide. To remove that wire, you simply pull on it. There's no clip, there's no keeper. When you have your rear wiper motor exposed, you will remove 3 10mm bolts, and then you will squeeze this 12-volt clip, and then this clip, there's just one tab that you have to press on, which is on the top here, and then you pull it off. One thing I noticed is when I apply electric current to the motor, so I started with negative being on the core and positive on the wire, motor spins and then it stops, and then it spins, stops, spins and stops. So my motor is good. I suspect that the problem is with this driver that's underneath of this black color. First things first, we're going to be popping this cover. Just 2 tabs on the side here. And what do we see? Right from the start, I see that there's some flux. It looks like someone was trying to repair this previously. Let's test it on multimeter. So we set my multimeter on continuity. It looks like these two routes are connected at this point. So we put one lead on the common point and there's no continuity. There is continuity going this way, so we're going to solder this little trace right here. It's a little bit sloppy, but it should work. Besides that, I don't see any burnt parts on the board, so we're going to close it up. We'll reinstall it on the vehicle and check that. And look, it sure does work.